Hello student, let's discuss some numbers of exercise 4.1. Chapter name is simple equation. First is complete the last column of the table. Here are some bit. First is x plus 3 is equal to 0. For x equal to 3, say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. In left hand side, x plus 3 is there. For x equal to 3, replace x equal to 3 here. So 3 plus 3. We can write 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 is not equal to 0 because in right hand side 0 is there. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side when you solve we get 6 and right hand side is 0 is given. So here answer is no. This equation is not satisfied. Second bit, x plus 3 is equal to 0. In left hand side x plus 3 is there. X plus 3 is there. So for x equal to 0, putting the value x equal to 0 in left hand side, 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. But in right hand side value is 0. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So here answer is no. The equation is not satisfied. Similarly, third bit, x plus 3 is equal to 0 for x equal to minus 3. Here it is the equation. In left hand side expression is x plus 3. Put the value of x is equal to minus 3. Replace minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 equation expression becomes plus 3 minus 3 becomes cancel out. So we will get 0. So value of left hand side and right hand side both are same 0. So yes, the equation is satisfied. Fourth bit, x minus 7 is equal to 1 for x equal to 7. So put x equal to 7, left hand side 7 minus 7 is 0 is not equal to right hand side. Your left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So answer is no. First solve the left hand side by putting the value, then solve right hand side. Fifth bit, x equal to 8. When you solve it, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side, value is 1. So yes, the equation is satisfied. Similarly, 6th bit, 5x is equal to 25. X equal to 0. For x equal to 0, 5 into 0 is 0. That does not equal to right hand side, not equal to right hand side. So no, equation is not satisfied. 7th bit, 5x equal to 25 for x equal to 5. 5 into 5, 25. So both the values are same, left hand side and right hand side. So yes, the equation is satisfied. Similarly, 8 bit, 5x equal to 25 for x equal to minus 5. When you solve it, value of left hand side is minus 25. That is not equal to right hand side. So answer is no, equation is not satisfied. Nine bit, m minus 3 is equal to 2 for m equal to minus 6. In left hand side m minus 3 is there. So equation when you solve, 6 minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. That not equal to right hand side. So answer is no. Here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So answer is no, equation is not satisfied. 10 bit, m minus 3 is equal to 2 for m equal to 0. When you put m equal to 0, expression becomes 0 minus 0 by 3 is equal to 0. But in right hand side value is 2. So 0 is not equal to 2. So no, answer is no. Then m minus 3 is equal to 2 for m equal to 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Here value of left hand side and right hand side both are same. So answer is yes, the equation is satisfied. Similarly, second bit, check whether the value given the bracket in the solution to the given equation or not. Here some bit. First bit is n plus 5 is equal to 19. For n equal to 1, check the value. We have to put n equal to 1 in this equation. So expression is n plus 5 by n plus 5 equal to 19. Put n equal to 1. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Left hand side value is 6 and right hand side value is 19. 6 is not equal to 19. So here left hand side value is not equal to right hand side. So n equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Second bit, 7n plus 5 equal to 19. For n equal to minus 2, when you put and solve, value we get minus 9 is not equal to minus 19. So left hand side and right hand side are not same. So n equal to minus 2 is not the solution of the given equation. C bit, 7n plus 5 equal to 19. For n equal to 2, when you put and solve, value of left hand side and right hand side are same. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 both are same. So n equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Here 4p minus 3 equal to 13. When you solve for p equal to 1, put the value of p is equal to 1. We get left hand side and right hand side value are not same. So p equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. E bit, 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. For p equal to minus 4, when you put p equal to minus 4 into 4 is minus 16, minus 3 is minus 19, is not equal to minus 13, not equal to 13, sorry. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So p equal to minus 4 is not the solution of the given equation. F bit, 4p minus 3 equal to 13. For p equal to 0. So when you put p equal to 0, 4 into 0, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So value of left hand side is minus 3 is not equal to 13. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So these are the numbers of this exercise. So thank you.